What's going on, guys? This is APMC, and this is the third time of me trying to record this. So, this is the 4x4 vault door. This is what it looks like. It's double-sided as well, so yeah, you can see it's double-sided. You can run in an input to any of these diamond blocks, and I know people have made smaller versions, but a plus to this one is that you can put in you can connect up an input to any of these diamond blocks. So, if you're building this in survival mode, you are going to need one lever, if you're hooking it up like that, 2 observers, 32 sticky pistons, 65 redstone dust, 12 redstone repeaters, 13 slabs, 28 blocks that will be in the door, and 66 blocks that you will be placing redstone and stuff on. So let's get into the tutorial of this thing. So, you're going to need to place in pistons down here, and there, and sticky pistons too, and observer there, and one here, and you're going to need to place in sticky pistons all out in this formation here. So it's kind of in like a half plus sign, so like sticky piston, there's one under there, so there, one layer there, 2 layers there, 1 layer there, 2 blocks thick. So then you want to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, then after that you'll want to place in sticky pistons up here as well. Just like that, 4 there, and 4 on the other side too. So I'm just going to do that, and this is repetitive, if you haven't already seen. Okay, you know what, I messed this up. There's going to be redstone on these blocks here, and that block, and that block. Okay. Then you want to place in a repeater set to 2 ticks on both sides, just to get that over with. Then redstone dust all up here, and 1 block with redstone dust back there too. And down here, actually, you'll want to fill in all these blocks. So do that real quick, so you don't have to look at these dumb holes anymore. You know, I messed this up. These sticky pistons go down here. Like that. Oh, just like I've messed up twice before trying to record this. Wait, I did place some pistons down there. No pistons up here. Okay, and that's good. So, then you'll want to place in repeaters set to 2 ticks down here and here. All of them set to 2 ticks. The redstone dust on all of these blocks with a redstone repeater here, then redstone dust. Hold on. I messed up in this part. There's gonna be redstone on that block. This is where the repeater goes, right there. Then you'll place up a block here, and then a slab tower, if I can fly again, right here that goes up 4, I think. Yeah, 4. Then we'll place in a block there, and redstone dust on all these slabs, then a block there, a slab there, then blocks like this, all with redstone dust on them, and a block there. Then over here, you'll want to place in redstone dust with a repeater onto a block, and then a slab tower that goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That goes up 7 slabs. This is going to take a while, but if I pause this, it's really difficult to play because of the white screen cast-o-matic records this stuff. My screen recorder is Screencast-O-Matic. I wouldn't recommend it if you're recording Minecraft, but it's great for Steam. Anyways, you want to place in redstone dust there, and then blocks there, and there, and there, and here, on top of all of these pistons, connecting between them, with the block connecting between them, then a repeater here, set to 1 tick, I think, yeah, and then you'll place in blocks there, a slab, and redstone dust on all of those, and a block there and there, no, there, right? No, it doesn't go there because that breaks everything. It goes there. That's very important. And then it should work, hopefully. No, it does not, because I forgot to put redstone dust there. And then it opens, it closes, and it opens. Just fine. Double-sided. And that is it for this tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to hit that like button. And if you really... I accidentally started to do somebody else's outro. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to hit that like button. And if you're new, make sure to subscribe and then hit that bell really, really hard, so that way you will stay updated on everything you've ever wanted to be updated on in your life, ever. But I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next episode, as I was just in a hole. No, I'm gonna stay in that hole. Oh, okay, here we go. Goodbye!